The most beautiful planet they'd ever seen, pure white, glistening, covered in the most delicate, intricate snowflakes, each one sparkling like a tiny diamond. Biscuit caught a snowflake on his paw. Ding! It played a musical note. Did that snowflake just sing? He caught another. Tinkle! A different note. Rocket caught snowflakes by the handful. Ding, dong, tinkle, chime. Every single snowflake played a different note. It's like catching a song. His tail wagged in rhythm. Luna carefully selected specific snowflakes. C, D, E, F, G. She lined them up on a branch, a scale. Each snowflake is a unique musical note. We can compose music. Pip shook a snow-covered branch. Whoosh! Hundreds of snowflakes tumbled down. A cascade of music. Notes everywhere. A waterfall of sound. Snow symphony squealed. Biscuit and Luna built a wall of snowflakes, carefully arranged by note. When wind blew through, it played a melody. A beautiful, haunting song. "We built a song," whispered Luna. Rocket rolled the biggest snowball ever. As it rolled, it collected snowflakes. Ding, 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 getting louder and more musical. A rolling ball of sound. Rumble symphony. Pip stood on a snow mound and waved his tiny arms like a conductor. The snowflakes responded. He waved left, high notes. Right, low notes. Up, a crescendo. The symphony reached its peak. Every snowflake singing at once. The ground trembled. Then, rising from the snow, an ice castle appeared. Crystal towers spiraling up, built by music. The ice castle was stunning. Crystal spires caught the light, throwing rainbows everywhere. Every wall was a different snowflake pattern. Music made this, breathed Luna. Sound became solid. Inside the castle, snowflakes drifted gently, playing a soft lullaby. Crystal chandeliers tinkled. The floor was polished ice that reflected the stars. A palace of music, whispered Pip. The starberry flew from the snowflake planet as the ice castle glowed behind them, a beacon of frozen music. "I'll hear that melody forever," said Luna. The stars hummed along.